Hi, this video is about how to convert SKP models into a lower version without using SketchUp software. First, you're going to download the SKP converter from our website. So I'll just put it on the desktop. Then you right click to extract the folder. You should see the debug folder, open it. Then double click the SKP version converter. Here you can choose the SKP version you want to convert to. Let's say I choose SU2014. And then you can drop all the SKP files into this box to convert. Here I'm going to convert 3 models. So I'm just going to drop them all into the box. And that's it. Click OK and you are done. The converted files will be in the same folder together with the original one, with the version you convert. Like this tree, you'll see the 2014 at the back. So that's all for now. Thank you and happy trying.